Hi, ich bin Deng, Gastronomin aus Berlin. Die gehobene deutsche Gastroszene in Berlin ist nach wie vor eine reine Männerdomäne. Und viele Deutsche denken immer noch, dass thailändisches Essen Imbissessen ist und schnell und billig sein muss. Aber hier in Berlin gibt es eine Frau, die hat es trotzdem geschafft. Sie stellt diese Klischees zurzeit völlig auf den Kopf. Ihr Name ist Dalat Khambu und sie hat das Kindi in Berlin-Schöneberg eröffnet. Das erste thailändische Sterne-Restaurant Deutschlands. Und vielleicht hat Dalat sogar eine Lösung für mein Klimaproblem. Ich bin schon sehr gespannt. Dalat, how did you come to open a restaurant here in Berlin?
I always have this idea of doing contemporary Thai food, just sort of like, concept of kindi, of like using local produce and cook it in like a Thai way.
You even received a Michelin star for that. I looked it up. There were 310 Michelin stars awarded in Germany in 2021. Only 13 to female chefs. Can you explain to me why it is so hard for female chefs?
The industry itself are not used to having women or think about women. Most chefs out there are white men. The system make it easy for them because it's made by them. Take the heat, long hours, the culture in the kitchen, how they talk and all this sort. And this just is one example of anything that people don't think about. So we contact a laundry company and we ask for a chef shirt. And the smallest chef shirt they have was way too big for me. And I said, what do the women wear then? And they said, they just wear men's shirts. And I said, absolutely not.
Many people in Germany don't associate Thai food with fine dining. Why is that?
It started from like, Thai food cannot be Michelin star food. Thai food cannot be high-end food. Thai food is supposed to be cheap. Street food is the best Thai food. All this thing that you kind of like, who are you to define what Thai food is? You're white and you're not from my country. What do you know about my food? But nevertheless, when Thai people come, they said this is, I would say 9 out of 10. Always say this is so amazing, it's so delicious, it's bring me home, I'm so happy and so proud to see Thai food, so elegantly done.
Sometimes I'm having a hard time thinking about how could I cook, Thai food that is sustainable. You did it for so many years so well right now, and I would ask you to do salad with me maybe and show me how you do it.
Sure. I actually really love their leaves, and we can deep fry them, you can dry them, they're actually quite yummy. I would personally keep them.
It's going to be like your version of the Thai green papaya salad somtam, right?
Basically, yeah. I mean, but I didn't think of it like that way. I was just like, kind of like eat it. And I was like, I think the flavor of the kohlrabi would be so well with somtam. I kind of do it, and later on, people really like it. And then later on, I found out from my the Thai woman who works with me, she's like, yeah, I always use kohlrabi when I want to eat somtam because I can't always find it, so I just use it. I'm like, what? It's good.
My mom used everything that she could find to try to make a somtam. So she would try to make somtam out of cucumber, apples, kohlrabi, carrots, everything that she could find in a German small town supermarket, right?
Yeah, and it tastes good.
It tastes yummy. To me, it's hard to substitute fish sauce. I don't want to, and I should not replace it for anything else.
We can only do all parts.
Yeah.
That so much, and like, the thing is, if I want to have sustainable restaurant, which I am, I'd want to, but I also have a Thai restaurant, so I can't replace entirely everything. You don't go to a French restaurant and say, can you don't put butter in for me?
So you replaced the green papaya with the local kohlrabi. How is this still Thai food for you?
And for me, I already said from the very beginning, I want to have a sustainable restaurant. I'm making Thai food, it's Thai method, the same way that it's very similar to the way the woman that I saw when I was a child making papaya salad. And to me, this is Thai food because it's Thai flavors and it's Thai method. And when Thai people eat this, they just, yeah, it tastes like papaya salad.
this is the Thai food I know.
I have a calculator that can calculate for us how much of a CO2 footprint one dish has per serving. So I added all your ingredients of your salad into this machine, and it turns out per serving it's 296 grams CO2. And if we compare it to a serving of French fries, a serving of French fries has 574 grams of CO2. So it's almost twice as much as the salad that we're eating right now. Wie wir gesehen haben, bestehen Essen und vor allem Kochen aus ständigem kulturellem Austausch. Durch Migration, wirtschaftliche Verbindungen, geschmackliche Veränderungen. Vielleicht dürfen wir es daher auch nicht als Verlust ansehen, wenn wir unsere Rezepte dem Klima zuliebe anpassen, sondern eher als eine Fortsetzung kulinarischer Entwicklung. Das ist doch schön, oder? Was denkt ihr? Habt ihr auch klimafreundliche Rezepte? Lasst sie mir in den Kommentaren und das Rezept zu dieser Folge findet ihr auf unserer Website. Die anderen Folgen sind übrigens auch hier verlinkt. Und ja, viel Spaß beim Nachgucken. Guten Appetit!